Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to change the language in Google Maps. Whether you want to switch to your local language or practice a new one, it's really simple. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and find this option called Settings and tap on it. Now look for App Language and tap on it. And from the list, choose the language you want Maps to use. Once selected, the app will reload in your chosen language. If you're on an iPhone and don't see the option, go to Settings and then to Google Maps and then look for Preferred Language and change it there. And that's it. Your Google Maps will now display in the language you prefer. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.